The 2021-2022 Kia K5 stores the spare tire and jack in the trunk for space efficiency. To access them, open the trunk and lift the carpeted floor panel. The spare tire, a temporary donut type, is secured underneath by a plastic wing nut. Unscrew this counterclockwise by hand or with a screwdriver for leverage if needed to detach the tire. The jack and lug wrench are located in a compartment on the left side of the trunk, accessible by pressing the release tabs on the cover. This is engineered for quick, tool-free access to the spare. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks. Rocks or blocks will work. Use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Position the jack under the vehicle's frame at the designated jacking points, which are marked on the underside. Raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Fully remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire and hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle and fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 feet-pounds torque. Drive cautiously on the spare, not exceeding 50 miles per hour or 50 miles, and get the flat tire repaired or replaced promptly. Remember to check the spare tire pressure monthly, as underinflation is common.